Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really cute unicorn Valentine. It's partly made with origami, but it is the simplest origami heart. So let's get started.
So to make a square piece of paper, unless you don't have one, you just fold a rectangular piece of paper over to make a triangle and then cut the rectangular piece off. And that should give you a perfect square. If you already have a square piece of paper, then you can get started on the next step. So please ignore my green finger there. I had a paint pen burst on me right before I started this video. But anyway, we're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again so it makes like a cross in the middle. That gives us creases where we can fold to. Next, we're going to take the bottom part right here. We're going to fold it up to that crease line in the middle. We don't want to go past it or below it. We just want to be right up to it. Then I'm going to flip the paper over. And then I'm going to take this side and fold it to this crease right here. I want this edge touching that crease. And feel free to pause the video anytime you need to if I go too fast. So we're going to do both sides that way. You fold them into that middle crease. Flip it over and you have a little pocket here. We'll use that pocket later. And we're going to fold this side into the middle crease. Right there. And anything we do on that side, we also do it on the other side as well. So I'm just folding these in to that middle crease. Right here at the top, we're going to fold down those squares. We're just going to half them. And then, this part is really tricky, okay? We're going to fold it over, but we're not going to crease it or smush it flat. We just want to fold it over like this. That way we can open these little pockets. You'll see that it makes these little oval-shaped pockets. Those are very important for the top part of our heart. So I'm just kind of fluffing them out. And right here is where we're going to push down and make the top part of our heart. Don't crease too hard here. The next step is we're going to tuck the top part into that pocket. Do you remember that pocket we made? So now we're going to tuck it in. And those little creases that we made earlier, we're going to flatten those now real hard. So I'm just pushing down, it makes like a little bow tie. And then our heart almost looks like a complete heart, but we've got to fold in the corners. So those little tiny corners right there, I'm just flipping them over and creasing them flat. So it's a heart, but upside down, it's going to be the base or the head of our unicorn. Yay! So I cut my eye out on my Cricut machine, but you can totally make your own by tracing or printing one out and then cutting it. And my horn is made from glitter paper, and I'm cutting the hair. I'm using glitter cardstock, and I'm just cutting little rectangles to get some hair. You can also make hair using yarn, and I'm going to use both cardstock and yarn to make my hair today. So I just wrapped it around my finger for the yarn, or around my hand, and then cut it. And then I'm going to take those little loops and place them and glue them down with hot glue. You can just take time to dry. Hot glue is perfect for paper projects. And of course, you know, you can attach this to a piece of paper. You can put it on the front of a card, however you'd like.
So that's it. So cute and so easy. I need you to make a ton of these on Valentine's Day for all your friends. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have tons of craft ideas and fun things to do when you're bored.